In this video, let's learn how to delete all tweets at once. If this is something that you want to learn, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. And before we begin, make sure you subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell so you get notified for more future videos. Now, whenever you open up your Twitter and try to delete tweets, you can see that there's no option of bulk deleting tweets or deleting multiple tweets at once. You can either delete them individually by tapping on the three dots and tap on delete tweet. So in this case, you cannot delete all tweets at once within the app of Twitter. We'll need to use a third-party website to delete all of those tweets. But however, I do not suggest you to do this because we'll need to log into our Twitter account using this third-party website. But however, if you still want to do it, I'm going to show you the name of the website. It is called tweetdelete.net. You can easily search this up. So you'll land on this interface where you'll see an option of sign in with Twitter. You can just tap on it and type in your credentials such as your username or email address and your password and log in to your Twitter account. If you do this, this website will have all of your details including your password of your Twitter. So do this at your own risk. And within this website, you can bulk delete tweets or delete tweets all at once. So that's the exact process of deleting all tweets at once. Give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video useful. If you want more videos just like this, make sure to leave a comment. And that's pretty much it for today. I'll see you guys in the next one.